Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop. That is all. Duke, do you have a moment? Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, excuse me? Boop. Thank you.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
You ever hang out with your dog and it's awkward?
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And
Squishy! Hey, Squishy! Feel the cheek, Squishy.
Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Tip